Okay, good morning. So I finally got the Tesla wall connector glass fascia. When I opened this thing, I didn't see any directions at all. And I'm gonna show you real quick. The glass out here, and there was a screw in this box. And that's it. So then I was like, okay, well, what am I gonna do? So then I looked at this beautiful piece of glass. I saw this connection here and I saw this hook here, which tells me I should be able to figure this out correctly. These are the screws. I just happen to have the connector I'm going to use to remove the charger from the wall. So looking at the charger, it looks like I do need to do that because the back plate that I need to access is in the back. So what I'm going to go do first is turn off the breaker. Okay, so step one, turn off the Tesla charger. Okay, so obviously I can see the charger is off. Now I need to take it from the wall, so I'm just going to remove the wall charger itself from the wall. I'm starting at the top because it's easier that way. Okay. By the way, I'm notorious for losing screws, so bear with me as I attempt to execute some level of greatness here. I think luckily okay. Wow, this is interesting. This is so interesting. So then, step two is You guys are I think you're trying to. Oh crap. T10. Okay, that was interesting, but I got it. All right, so what I had to do was find the T10 connection. I didn't know I needed that, so I had to iterate through it, but I found it. Okay, and then just looking at this construct, there's a hook right. There's a hook. There's a hook right here that hooks up to the hook right there. So let me attempt to make that happen first. Oop, that was it. Now let's see if I can get all this stuff hooked back up with no issues. I feel like I'm doing surgery. Okay. 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 Let's look at that. Very beautiful. It's probably gonna work. Okay. Wow, that looks cute. All right. Yeah, that was pretty intense. That was pretty damn intense. Okay. And then okay, and there you go. So now I'm gonna plug this beast in Make sure it charges the whip. It made a little charging noise. And it's charging. And there you go. All right, that's it. All right, thank you. Hopefully that was helpful. Again, I ended up using, so let's see. What tools did I use? So I just happen to have the connector that I use to take apart the charger on my screwdriver. So that was fortunate in that. And then I also had to pull out the T10 out of my handy dandy iFixit kit. And what was helpful there too is because it seems like this was the screwdriver was slim enough to fit in. So it just kind of worked out perfectly. And I tell you what, if you all are looking for the right kit to have for a little work like what I just did, get this iFixit kit, this online on the website. Just go to ifixit.com and you should be able to pick it up. Okay, I didn't have to touch these because I used the existing screws that were in there, so I was good. In fact, I'm going to take the old one, the old glass, which is beautiful, and put it in here. There you go, you see that? So I put it in there. And then I'm going to save it for a rainy day. So rainy day means if I need to install, if I break that the one that's on me right now, I will use this. And that's it. Yeah. And then let's see. So yeah, that was awesome. So I'm gonna put this in here for my future needs. And shout out to DeWalt, you know, I'm probably executing the greatest sin of all. I'm mixing Milwaukee and DeWalt, but who cares? And that's it. All right, thank you. Have a wonderful day.